In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions in Adobe Express. Captions make your content easier to follow, more accessible, and much more watchable when sound is off. Let's walk through the process clearly and make sure your text looks great and matches your audio. Start by heading to the left panel and clicking Text. Here, you have two simple choices. Select. Add your text to start with a clean text box you can style from scratch, or choose a text template if you prefer a polished, pre-designed look. Templates are a quick way to get professional typography with spacing and color already balanced, while a blank text box gives you full control from the start. Type your caption directly into the text box, then position it under or over your video. A lower third placement is a classic choice because it's readable without blocking the main action. If your video has important visuals at the bottom, move the caption higher to keep the subject clear. As you place the text, think about contrast and safe margins so it's easy to read on both large and small screens. Next, fine-tune the look using the text settings. Adjust the font to match your brand or the tone of your video, increase or reduce the size for readability, and choose a color that stands out against your footage. Alignment is helpful for keeping a consistent layout across multiple captions. If your background is busy, add a background behind the text for instant contrast. A subtle, semi-opaque background can dramatically improve legibility without drawing too much attention. Keep your style consistent from caption to caption so viewers aren't distracted by changing fonts or sizes. For videos, timing is everything. On the timeline, drag the text layer so it appears exactly when the words are spoken and disappears as the line ends. Move the entire layer to shift the caption earlier or later and adjust its duration so it stays on screen long enough to be read comfortably. Aim for clear, concise wording, usually no more than a line or two at a time, so viewers can keep up without pausing. As you work, play through your video to confirm the caption placement, style, and timing feel natural. Small tweaks to size, contrast, or timing can make a big difference in clarity. And that's it. With the text panel, thoughtful styling, and precise timeline adjustments, you can add clean, synchronized captions in Adobe Express that elevate your video and keep your audience engaged.